Good day, everyone. So, I am teacher Rebecca. So, today, i-discuss ko sa inyo kung ano nga ba ang beverage dispenser machine.
Have you ever wondered how restaurants, cafes, and convenience stores serve drinks so quickly and consistently? Well, the secret lies in a powerful piece of equipment, the beverage dispenser machine. In this video, we'll explore what beverage dispensers are, their different types, and why they're so important in today's food and beverage industry. A beverage dispenser machine is a device designed to automatically dispense drinks, usually in a controlled and measured manner. These machines are found almost everywhere in restaurants, cafeterias, hotels, offices, and convenience stores. They make the process of serving drinks faster, cleaner, and more consistent, whether it's a refreshing soda, a hot cup of coffee, or a chilled fruit juice. In short, beverage dispensers help both staff and customers get their drinks quickly and efficiently. Now, let's talk about the different types of beverage dispenser machines. Each one serves a unique purpose depending on the types of drinks. Number 1, soda dispensers or post-mix machines. These are the ones you usually see in fast food restaurants. They mix concentrated syrup with carbonated water right as you pour your drink. This ensures your soda is fresh and fizzy every time. Brands like Coke or Pepsi use this system in most of their outlets. Number 2, juice dispensers. These machines are designed to keep juice cold and ready to serve. They can be gravity-fed, where juice simply flows down, or pump-driven, which keeps the liquid circulating, perfect for convenience stores. Number 3, coffee dispensers. These range from simple hot water dispensers for instant coffee to high-tech machines that grind beans and brew fresh coffee on demand. They're a lifesaver in office, hotels, and cafes where speed and taste matter. Number 4, tea dispensers. Similar to coffee machines, some models simply provide hot water for tea bags, while others brew tea from loose leaves automatically. They help maintain the perfect temperature and flavor balance. Number 5, frozen beverage dispensers. Ever enjoyed a slushy, smoothie, or frozen cocktail? That icy textures comes from these machines. They freeze the drink mixture while constantly stirring it to create that smooth, semi-frozen consistency we love. Number 6, water dispensers. Simple but essential. They provide chilled or room temperature water and can either be bottle-fed or directly connected to a water line. You'll find these in schools, offices, and homes. Number 7, liquor dispensers. Used in bars or pubs, these machines pour measured amounts of alcohol, ensuring consistent cocktails and preventing waste. They also make the bar service quicker and more accurate. And finally, combination dispensers. These are all-in-one machines that can serve multiple types of beverages, like both soda and juice, in one compact unit. They save space and simplify operations. Now that we've covered the types, let's look at why beverage dispenser machines are so important. Efficiency. Beverage dispensers make serving drinks faster, especially during peak hours. Instead of manually pouring or mixing, staff can simply press a button, or customers can self-serve in seconds. Consistency. Each cup tastes the same every time. The right amount of syrup, water, or ingredients, ensuring the same quality drink for every customer. Cost savings. These machines help control portions, and reduce waste. That means businesses save money while keeping customers satisfied. Hygiene. Since drinks are dispensed automatically, there is less direct contact, minimizing contamination and keeping beverages safe to consume. Convenience. They are easy to use, either for customers who self-serve or for staff during busy hours. Everything is simple, fast, and organized. Space saving. Instead of needing multiple containers or bottles, one dispenser can serve different drinks, saving precious counter space. Attractiveness. Modern beverage dispensers are designed to look appealing, with clear tanks, bright lighting, and colorful displays that attract customers' attention. The beverage dispenser machines are essential tools in today's food and beverage industry. They bring together efficiency, quality, and convenience, making every sip consistent and satisfying. So now that we've explored what beverage dispenser machines are, how they work, and their benefits, let's take a moment to look at their broader impact in the modern world. Beverage dispenser machines are more than just tools for serving drinks. They represent how technology, convenience, and customer experience come together to make everyday life smoother, whether it's a simple water dispenser in an office or a complex soda machine in a fast food chain. Each one plays an important role in improving efficiency, hygiene, and sustainability. Think about this. In the past, people used pitchers, bottles, or manual containers to serve beverages. It took time, created spills, and sometimes even led to waste. But with beverage dispensers, that changed completely. Now, drinks can be served faster, cleaner, and with precise portions, ensuring that nothing goes to waste and every cup tastes just right. This is especially important in businesses where speed and consistency matters most. Imagine a cafeteria during lunch rush or a convenience store during a hot day. A beverage dispenser allows them to serve hundreds of customers smoothly without slowing down operations. But beyond speed, these machines also represent innovation and sustainability. Modern beverage dispensers are designed to reduce electricity use, limit water waste, and even monitor temperature automatically. Some new models are equipped with touchless technology, allowing users to get their drinks without even pressing a button. A huge step for hygiene and safety, especially after the pandemic. Others have digital displays, smart sensors, and automatic cleaning systems that maintain quality without constant human supervision. Some companies are even developing dispensers that use AI to track sales data, helping business owners know which drink are most popular and when to restock ingredients. So, what once started as a simple mechanical tool has now evolved into a smart, data-driven system, proving that even something as ordinary as pouring a drink can be part of technological progress. Beverage dispensers also contribute to sustainability goals by using reusable cups and eliminating the need for single-use bottles. They help reduce plastic waste. They also make it easier to store and distribute beverages in large quantities, which lessens packaging waste and transportation costs. This is why many modern businesses, from cafes to offices, are investing in eco-friendly beverage systems. It's not only good for profit, it's good for the planet too. In the end, beverage dispenser machines remind us how innovation meets everyday needs. They make serving drinks faster, cleaner, and smarter, helping both businesses and customers.